Select the text tool, type the letter Z, resize and change the font if it is not bold enough. So I'll be using this resize to fit page. Remove fill color, you left click on this. Add outline, you right click on the color you want. Okay, when you are done, right click and convert to curves. Select the Bezier tool, click on this node, click on this node, and click back on this node, making 3 nodes. Select the shape tool and transform the line into a shape. Click on the line, select convert to curve here. Use these arrows to transform the line. Repeat the same process here. Okay. If the shape you want is okay, you duplicate this, Ctrl D, then you bring it down here. You double click and transform this node to fit. Transform like we did before. If your shape is not looking the same way, Ctrl D again to duplicate this one. Click on the center and rotate. Increase the size a bit. Now let's delete the letter from behind our logo. So we are going to add our colors. This will be okay, so this will be our colors. Let's remove our outline. Select interactive fill and choose a gradient fill or a fountain fill. So we are going to apply a fountain fill. Add random colors as you like. Any color you like you can add here. So just follow closely. Thanks for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next video.